Understanding fair weather sailor, a deep dive. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make learning English fun and easy. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase, fair weather sailor. If you've ever wondered what it means and how to use it in conversation, you're in the right place. Let's set sail into the world of English idioms and expressions together. The term, fair weather sailor, refers to someone who is only supportive, enthusiastic, or engaged in activities when everything is going smoothly or when conditions are easy. It's not just about sailing. This phrase can be applied to various aspects of life, such as friendship, work, or hobbies. A fair weather sailor is someone who might abandon ship at the first sign of trouble, rather than sticking it out through thick and thin. Understanding the origin of fair weather sailor helps us appreciate its meaning even more. This idiom comes from nautical terminology, where a fair weather sailor is literally someone who prefers to sail in good, calm weather and avoid sailing in challenging or stormy conditions. Over time, this term has been used metaphorically to describe people's behavior in non-nautical situations. Now that you know what it means, let's look at how to incorporate fair weather sailor into your conversations. Here are a few examples. He's a fair weather sailor when it comes to volunteering. He's enthusiastic until the work gets tough. I need reliable teammates, not fair weather sailors who disappear at the first sign of difficulty. She realized she had many fair weather sailors in her life during her time of need. There are several related expressions that convey similar meanings. For instance, fair weather friend, someone who is only your friend during good times. Jump ship, to leave a situation when it starts to become difficult. Understanding these related phrases enriches your vocabulary and helps you express nuanced thoughts and emotions. Thank you for joining us on this exploratory voyage into the meaning of fair weather sailor. We hope this video has illuminated not just the phrase itself but also the broader context of how weather-related terms are used in English to describe behavior and character. Remember, learning English is an adventure, and we're here to navigate it together. Happy sailing on your language learning journey, and see you in the next video.